Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keywords and Revert. Lastly, just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!